इंडिया मेरा भारत।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः। तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः। तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
अशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह अशहदु अन्ना मुहम्मदन रसूलुल्लाह। मुहम्मदन रसूलुल्लाह।
Be amongst you and remain with you always.
भूर्भुवः स्वः।
India before partition. Lord Macaulay's address to the British Parliament dated February 2nd, 1835.
I have travelled across the length and breadth of India, and I have not seen one person who is a beggar, who is a thief. Such wealth I have seen in this country, such high moral values, people of such caliber that I do not think we would ever conquer this country unless we break the very backbone of this nation, which is her spiritual and cultural heritage. And therefore I propose that we replace her old and ancient education system, her culture. For if the Indians think that all that is foreign and English is good and greater than their own, they will lose their self-esteem, their native culture, and they will become what we want them, a truly dominated nation.
Britain gains interest in India for economic reasons in the 1600s. To facilitate favourable trading privileges between India and England, the British East India Company is formed. Trading posts were hence set up in Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. Since at that time, India was ruled by the Mughals, the trading with Europe was limited. The company eventually transformed from commercial trading to a group that ruled India.
Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram
We made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes.
Sujalam Sufalam Malaya Shitalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram Vande
are always at our disposal.
Sujalam Sufalam Malaya Shitalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram Vande
Immediately or what
Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
In 1857, the Indian Rebel, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny, starts, challenging fiercely the ruling company. Soon, the National Indian Congress is formed.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history.
On August 15, Indian independence is gained and Pakistan is formed the very next day. Not to mention the riot that follows. This largest mass migration in human history witnessed the slaughtering of over 500,000 people, Hindus and Muslims alike, millions more displaced. Not a dream, not the distant past, but a reality of today. Not in India, not Pakistan, nor Bangladesh, but the United States of America. No, No politics involved in here. Just plain business. The business of catering to the wide Asian community of 3 countries. The countries almost torn apart in homeland.
Yeah, ma'am, what's your name?
Ratna.
Okay.
Ratna.
And since how long have you been living in the US?
Since I got married.
Since you got married, yeah. Okay. And how old is the store?
This location is 5 years old.
5 years old. What inspired you to open the store?
It's my husband.
Okay. I mean, what are the emotions behind it?
He's always done business.
Okay.
Yeah, starting from London,
Oh,
UK.
so you were in London earlier. And what inspired the Indo Park store? It's something very
Indo Park
different.
makes it like Indian subcontinent, like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh.
Yeah.
So that's why they put Indo Park, so we cover everything.
Okay. But is it because there are a lot of Indians and Pakistanis in the area?
Yeah, we're trying to get hold of like India, Pakistani customers.
How do you feel when you see news about India and Pakistan, always at each other's throat
See, we got India and Pakistan.
It's just
We got Bangladesh
amazing.
and Texas.
Yeah. So,
No, I think there's always going to be something. Yeah, it's not in general people. It's just some people. There's always like even like in a store here.
Yeah.
Not everybody's going to be happy with each
Happy.
other, right? Somebody's always going to be against something. It's always going to be. Whatever you do, there's always going to be something in between them.
but do you think there is a lot of misconceptions between the Indians and Pakistanis, as compared to the local people like Pakistani or Indian and all? Do you think
Local people that I see here, they do fine with each other. Even like Bangladesh and Pakistan, so what happened, people will tell me here, it's not us, it's the government. People are really nice. Even
Yeah.
Pakistani people I'm seeing here, they always try to tell us it's not us. And we don't even understand because we were little when that happened, right? But it's not people, it's always politics.
politics?
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Umar Farooq,
Okay, so how long have you been living in the US?
15 years.
And what inspired you to, open a store named Indo Park?
India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, this subcontinent Indo Park, like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh,
Okay. And where are you from originally?
Bangladesh.
Born and brought up in Bangladesh. You have specifically named it as
Name?
Indo Park. Yeah, Indo Park. And then there are the situation between India and Pakistan is not really very pleasant. So is there anything that you feel when you?
No. Here, nothing.
Here there
No,
is nothing.
There is the everybody friend is here.
Yeah.
Nobody, like we have a lot of Indian customer here also. We have Pakistani customer. We have Bangladeshi customers. We have Middle Eastern customer. We also American customers. We like international customer here.
Yeah.
But more customer for Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. 3 is the major customer.
Those are the major
But
customers.
nothing happens for nothing. Or this like back home, like something,
I know.
but not here.
How was it after like 9/11 and all happened? Did you face any problems at that
9/11
time?
after we had before 1 year other store. After 9/11 is a little bit problem, not too much. There's Texas nothing.
Okay, you didn't experience any
No, my store little bit customers low that time. After 9/11, we had a lot of customers always, out inside the house. Nobody, only for emergency, just go outside.
Okay.
Otherwise, leaving house.
Who are the employees generally in the store?
There is in the Indian, Pakistani, Mexican, Bangladeshi.
So they are all
Major-
mixed.
major.
They are all mixed. How are they with one another? Like, there will be Indians and Pakistani and Bangladeshis and everything. So what is the blend? Is it a very happy environment?
Everybody is happy here.
Everybody is happy
It's
living
like family.
Yeah.
This is the family. India, Pakistani, Mexican, everybody like family.
But would you wish that things would be different,
Yeah.
between India and Pakistan than the way they are right now?
Right now, over there, everybody actually here busy,
Yeah.
Nobody thinking something here.
Okay.
Everybody is like busy here. Everybody is very, very busy.
Yeah.
There is the life is different life.
What's your name?
Simon.
Where do you live? You live close.
Near Dallas and Plain area,
Okay. So you are originally from where?
Bangladesh.
You are from Bangladesh. And since how long have you been in the US?
In 4 years.
Since 4 years. What is the difference that you feel, when you're here? How different do you feel is US as compared to Bangladesh?
Like in which perspective?
In every way, the people, the place, the attitude
It's more
of people.
systematic here.
It's more systematic.
We miss our country. But,
Yeah, it's a homeland, so you're
but
miss it.
other than that, except friends and families, other lifestyle is very good here.
Okay.
That should be the main difference. Also, the job and other facilities are
Okay.
very good.
What do you do?
I graduated from UT Dallas this May.
Okay.
I did my master's in engineering.
Okay.
So I already have an offer.
Okay.
I'll be joining it.
You frequent this store often?
Yeah, because to get our Bangladeshi food and stuff,
Okay.
they export it from Bangladesh. So it's the only place to get it.
Okay.
Even if we travel somewhere for a road trip or something, we always look for Desi
Yeah.
restaurant.
Yeah.
So at least if it's Desi, we feel first. That's the first comfort zone.
My happiness, my sorrow, my laughter, my tears. Mine, only mine. When I feel like, I will. When I won't, I won't. That's a promise to myself and me alone. Me, lonely, maybe. Me, not happy, maybe not.
Probably it gives them a feeling of home.
Probably, I'm
know?
sure it does. I'm sure it
Yeah.
does.
When two people can come together in a foreign land, what tears them apart as neighbors? Mass hysteria, the madness of the faceless crowd, where an individual stops thinking, starts believing and imitates others. He knows not why, how, who, what. The only thing that matters to him is what the others will think about him if he does not follow. Many a times, though, there's hardly a choice. Either he kills or be killed. The barbarity of the jungle rule takes over the only faculty we humans pride in, the thinking, and what we generally believe we imbibe, humanity.
This is the family, India, Pakistan, everybody like family.